देखिए बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस थे जब हम रिसर्च कर रहे थे तो ऑब्वियसली जब फ़ोन कॉल आया, जब एकता ने मुझे फ़ोन किया तो मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई कि इन पे इनकी लाइफ में फ़िल्म बन रही है। लेकिन तभी उसके बाद वो खुशी कहीं डर में बदल गई, क्योंकि इनकी लाइफ इतनी इवेंटफुल रही है। एक तो इम्बाइबिंग अ कैरेक्टर ऑन स्क्रीन जो फिल्म देखने वाले हैं, जिस तरह बात करते हैं, जिस तरह चलते हैं, और जो मेन चीज़ थी वो थी उनकी क्रिकेटिंग स्किल्स। क्योंकि मैं इतना अच्छा क्रिकेटर नहीं हूँ। आई मीन हम सब इंडियंस हैं तो यहाँ पे बैट बॉल रख दो तो हम सब खेलें, विल स्टार्ट प्लेइंग इट। बट एक फॉर्म जो है, एक टेक्निकलिटी जो है, वो मुझ में नहीं था। लेकिन अजहर भाई हैज़ बीन वेरी पेशेंट। उन्होंने मुझे 2-3 महीने तक ट्रेनिंग दी एंड ही मेड इट अ लॉट ईजियर।
Imran, Imran, yes. Imran,
Uh,
on your left. Sorry, Imran towards your right.
yeah.
Hi.
Yes, hi.
The trailer really looks amazing. You know,
Thank
it
you.
has a mix of everything. Basically, what you all want to show through his life and through his journey till now.
Yes.
What has been your family's reaction to the trailer, to your look?
Well, they're
Did
going
they
to see
find
it. They're
convincing?
going to see, everyone's going to see it soon. But I'm sure they're going to love it because, like you said, it has everything in it. It has, the look of the film, the emotion. And this is where we were actually, this was a huge responsibility on, I think, the entire team, that we were putting his life down on celluloid. And that's a huge responsibility. Eventually, there is an audience for whom we're making the film. But for me, it would be a battle won if whenever Azhar Bhai sees the film, when the lights dim in the theater, and he watches the film and he comes out and says, you've done me proud. And this is how I would envision my life. That would be the best, bit of praise that I can get for the film. So I'm waiting for that day when he sees the first copy, which will be out soon.
Imran, what was that one lesson you learned from Azhar's life?
I think apart from the film, it's just when I met him, obviously I have idolized him for the longest time. I'd seen him in the 80s and 90s. And what struck me when I met him, and we were doing the research, and I had actually compiled 100 questions for him. And I used to keep bugging him every day with these questions. And I just felt that here there was a man who was extremely frank about the way he has been, he's led his life. And, it's just sometimes you want to see yourself the way you want to see yourself, not in reality. And he was extremely cordial, he was extremely frank about those things, and a very, very sensitive person. Those are the things I admire about Azhar Bhai. And I've spent a lot of time with him over the past 1.5 years. And a lot of things can be said, but these are the two things: a very frank person and a very sensitive person.
And any similarity you find between you and Azhar bhai?
Well, I've tried to imbibe the similarities. I don't know.
Flick shot?
Flick shot. That was the toughest, actually. My wrists, I had to ice them every day because it was very tough. I used to work out, I used to lift weights, and because Azhar Bhai used to not lift weights. He said that he's against that when you were playing at that time. And there was a certain agility and a flexibility, so I had to detrain for 3 months and just train to get that flick shot. So it took me 4 months to get that. So it was almost a choreographed action, and we eventually got it.
Hi,
इमरान, यही ऑडी था जहाँ से शुरुआत हुई थी, आई थिंक 6-8 महीने पहले जब पहला एक टीजर छोड़ा गया था।
जी जी।
तब से लेकर के अभी तक का सफ़र ज़रा अगर आप बताएं कि किस तरीके से ओवरऑल, क्योंकि आपने आईएसडी भी शूटिंग की है, एसटीडी लोकल भी।
हाँ, आईएसडी ज़्यादा शूटिंग की है, बट एक बहुत ही टफ जर्नी रहा है, क्योंकि तभी तो हमने सिर्फ वॉक शूट किया था और बैक टू कैमरा शॉट था। लेकिन उसके बाद वी केम डाउन टू एक्चुअली शूटिंग, और हमने लंदन में शूटिंग की, एजबैस्टन, दाबिशर, हैदराबाद में जो इनका होम टाउन है। तो बहुत नर्वस था मैं, क्योंकि क्रिकेटिंग पोर्शंस ऑब्वियसली दे मेड मी द मोस्ट नर्वस, क्योंकि सब लोगों ने अजहर भाई को देखा है, उनके मैनरिज्म्स हैं ऑन द फील्ड, उनके न्यूएंसेस हैं, तो उन चीज़ों को इम्बाइब करना। एंड अगर इस फिल्म में अगर आपने कुछ गलत कर दिया तो एक तरह से एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्रिटिसिज्म हो सकता है। तो उस चीज़ को दिमाग में रखकर noting very, very minute things about Azhar Bhai, from the walk to the way he used to eat, the way he used to speak. तो ये सब चीज़ें मैंने imbibe करनी शुरू की. He hardly ate, that's why I'm hardly eating in the film also. But I almost became his stalker. When we were actually playing cricket, I think he caught me staring at him eerily and trying to just see what, everything, every nuance. So I think I made his life hell for those 3-4 months.
एक खास लहजा भी है हैदराबाद का जो ट्रेलर में सुनाई
जी
पड़ा।
इसमें है पोर्शंस में है जो जब हैदराबाद का पोर्शन है इस फिल्म में जो उनके चाइल्डहुड से लेकर जब वो 20 के थे 21 थे तो वो पोर्शन में थोड़ा ज़्यादा लहजा है।
इमरान आपने जन्नत में मैच फिक्सिंग का रोल किया था, अभी आप रियल लाइफ हीरो का रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं, तो आपकी लाइफ में क्रिकेट कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है?
Well, बहुत important रहा है। You know, I've grown up watching Azhar Bhai in the 80s, 90s जब वो कैप्टन थे and I think those were the glory days of cricket क्योंकि तभी ज़्यादा forms भी नहीं थे entertainment के and whenever your family used to sit and watch, there was this very concentrated approach and everyone used to sit and watch the match. ज़्यादा इंटरनेट नहीं था, ज़्यादा प्रोग्राम्स नहीं थे, so it was just a great time for cricket. और जब इंडिया और पाकिस्तान के मैचेस भी हुआ करते थे, it was just very very entertaining. So those are the memories of cricket, and obviously cricket is still great. But I was very honored जब मुझे ये role मिला to portray his life.
Imran, there were reports that your family was not happy with the first poster.
No, that's not true. Like I gave the quote today, maybe it was misconstrued when I said they were shocked. That doesn't mean they didn't like it. They were surprised and in a nice way because that's what my wife told me in the morning. She loved the poster. She found it very unique, and she said she definitely wants to see the film.
इमरान इंडियन टीम की ब्लू जर्सी पहनने के बाद क्या कुछ महसूस कर रहे थे आप?
Very proud.
Imran, when this match fixing scandal broke out way back in the 90s and when Azhar Bhai's name got embroiled in it, what was your reaction? Did you at that time believe that Azhar is innocent?
No, I didn't. You see, the thing is, there were fans of Azhar Bhai that gave him the support that he obviously deserved at that point of time. There are also certain people that like to jump the gun and play judge, jury, and executioner when they say that, okay, probably he has done it. But they didn't even follow the court case. And eventually, it was kind of a vindication when he won the court case. So I believe in following a certain, the way the law has to function, let it take its course. And that happens not just with him. It's happened with every celebrity, every sports person around the world. It's very high profile and people do reach their own judgment, which I think is extremely unfair. You should let the court have its hearing and then decide. We might not agree with the court's verdict, but we have to accept it. Okay.
And for Imran, who do you think till now, who do you think is the best captain for Team India?
He's standing right here.
Thank you.
Imran,
और इमरान जी आपको ये रोल जब मिला तो आपकी नींद उड़ गई कि मुझे अभी परफेक्ट दिखना है अजहर जी के जैसे?
जी डेफिनेटली, जैसे मैंने कहा कि इस फिल्म के लिए जब सब लोगों ने अजहर भाई को स्टडी किया 80s और 90s जब भी खेल रहे थे, मैंने भी स्टडी किया, तो अगर क्रिटिसिज्म आना है तो एक बहुत ही बड़ा क्रिटिसिज्म आ सकता है, तो लेकिन एक पूरी टीम का सपोर्ट था. आई वुडंट से आई हैव डन दिस ऑन माय ओन. बहुत सारे लोग थे, हमारी पूरी डायरेक्शन डिपार्टमेंट, द प्रोडक्शन, द कॉस्ट्यूम्स, ऑल दीज थिंग्स हेल्प. और ऑब्वियसली जब ट्रेन कर रहे थे तो अजहर भाई भी थे, तो बहुत लोगों ने मेहनत की मेरे साथ एंड इवेंचुअली आपको दिख रहा है स्क्रीन पे. और ऑब्वियसली अब फिल्म देखेंगे तो आप वर्डिक्ट देंगे.